Hey everyone, Jane Cormack here, founder of Rhythm in Colour. I just wanted to add something extra to the video I just shot about beginning your day the natural way. I just wanted to show you some of the practices that I do out here on the beach. If you love to do movement and you enjoy moving the body, doing a slow intuitive movement or dance, then one thing that is great to do is to actually come down to the beach if you live near a beach and to create that movement on the sand where you're actually creating the shapes and patterns on the sand as well. So you're creating the marks of your movement, and this is something that I do in workshops with painting. But working with the sand and out in nature means that it's very spontaneous and that the ocean is eventually going to wash it away. So here's a little taste of what I mean. And in a way we're creating sand art or land art. And it's just a way to see how you've been moving and what marks you leave on the sand. And just a way to play around and just loosen up the body and spend time in nature all together, all combined. And allow yourself just to let go and express spontaneously in the moment. So try it out, see how you feel. Leave a comment on my Facebook page, and or post some pictures of the dance marks that you've made on the sand or on some paper with colour. So I hope you've enjoyed this little extra snippet, and until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you very soon. Okay, bye for now.